Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. Do you want to practice speaking English more naturally? On this channel, we use the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English. Today's story is called My Christmas Night. It is full of simple, useful phrases you can use every day. Decorate the tree, string the lights, hot chocolate, carol, power outage, donation box, midnight service, video call. Stay until the end and your rhythm and pronunciation will feel smoother. Are you ready? Let's begin. Morning plans.
My name is Anna. It is December 24th. I open the curtains and see slow white snow. The street is quiet. I write a plan for the day. Decorate the tree, call my parents, visit neighbors. I added one more line. Make hot chocolate and rest for 10 minutes.
Decorating the tree.
I open a soft cardboard box. Ornaments wait under tissue paper. Red balls, golden stars, a paper angel from childhood. I check the lights and untangle the wire. I wrap the lights slowly around the tree. The first click brings a warm glow to the room. The needles smell like a small forest. I smile without saying a word.
Hot chocolate break.
I heat milk on the stove until it trembles. I stir in cocoa, sugar, and a little cinnamon. Steam rises like a thin white ribbon. The cup warms my hands and my face. Cars move carefully on the snowy road. I take a long sip and breathe out slowly. Today will be simple. Today will be kind.
A knock at the door.
There is a soft knock. It is Mrs. Brown from downstairs. She brings a small box of gingerbread. I invite her inside for a short visit. We share one cookie each and laugh. She tells me her grandson will arrive tonight. I promise to leave a card at her door. She wishes me a warm Christmas.
The power outage.
The room blinks and goes dark. The heater stops with a small sigh. The tree lights fade like sleeping fireflies. My phone shows 38%. A message says there is a power outage in our area. I take 2 candles from a drawer. I strike a match and watch the first small flame. Silence fills the apartment.
Candlelight Quiet.
The candles make a golden circle on the table. Shadows move gently on the wall. I sit on the floor beside the tree. I remember my grandmother's stories about winter nights. I think about the first gift I ever wrapped. I whisper thank you to the quiet room. The world feels slower and softer. I decide to use this calm well.
Small preparations.
I put on a thick sweater and wool socks. I fill a thermos with hot tea. I pack cookies in a tin for neighbors. I added 2 scarves and a hat to a paper bag. On the bag, I write the word donation. I check my keys, wallet, and phone. I place a flashlight in my pocket. I am ready to go out.
Helping next door.
I knock on Mr. Lee's door across the hall. He lives alone with a gray cat named Pepper. His apartment is also dark and still. I ask if he needs anything tonight. He asks for matches and a candle. I give him 2 candles and a slice of cake. Pepper rubs my ankle and purrs. Mr. Lee thanks me in a quiet voice.
Snowy street walk.
Outside, evening arrives early and blue. Children pull small sleds along the sidewalk. A group of neighbors hums a calm carol. The park gate creaks as I enter. Snow rests on every bench and branch. I walk one slow lap around the path. My breath forms small clouds in the air. I feel present in every step.
A lost mitten.
On a bench, I find a tiny red mitten. It is wet at the edge and half covered in snow. I look for a child searching nearby. No one is looking for it now. I take a photo for the neighborhood chat. I place the mitten in my pocket to keep it safe. Somebody will miss this later tonight. I hope it returns to a small, warm hand.
Community center stop.
The community center runs a loud generator. A sign invites people to charge phones and rest. I plug in my phone for 10 minutes. I place my donation bag into a large box. A volunteer offers warm tea and smiles. People speak softly and share chairs. I hear a boy practice a simple carol on guitar. For a moment, time feels gentle.
Caroling together.
Someone starts the first notes of Silent Night. Voices join one by one. I do not know every word. I follow the rhythm and the feeling. The song grows and then settles like falling snow. We clap softly and thank the guitarist. Strangers look like neighbors in this light. I head home with a calm heart.
A call from far away.
My phone buzzes in my pocket. It is a video call from my mother. She shows me our family tree at home. I show her the candles and the snow. We talk about simple dinners and old songs. We laugh at a memory of a broken star topper. We blow kisses to the screen. The distance feels smaller for a minute.
Back home, simple dinner.
The apartment is still without power. I light 3 candles in the kitchen. I make a pot of soup on a small gas stove. Carrots and potatoes soften in quiet bubbles. Steam fogs the cold window beside the sink. I place bread on a plate with butter. The first taste is warm and clean. I feel full in more than one way.
A visitor in the hall.
Footsteps echo in the stairwell. A family from the second floor passes by. They carry a box of extra batteries. We trade 2 candles for 2 batteries. We share a quick laugh about the dark hall. They invite me to visit tomorrow afternoon. I promise to bring gingerbread and tea. We wish each other a gentle night.
The return of the lights.
At 9:15, the lights flicker twice. The heater clicks and hums. The tree returns to color in one bright breath. Someone whistles with joy outside my door. I clap once and laugh to myself. I blow out the candles and say thank you. The room looks new again, but still calm. I feel both relief and gratitude.
Sharing what we have.
I carry a bowl of soup to Mr. Lee. He opens the door with a wide smile. Pepper tries to follow me into the hall. We talk about favorite winter meals. He tells me a story about a childhood sled. I leave him with a second candle and a cookie. He promises to return the bowl tomorrow. The hall smells like warm soup and pine.
A small gift exchange.
Back in my apartment, I open one gift. It is a slim book of winter poems. Inside the cover, there is a note. To Anna, keep telling warm stories. I place the book under the tree. I write a quick thank you message to my friend. Words can be simple and still carry light. I sit quietly and read a short poem.
Midnight thought.
I spread a blanket on the rug near the window. Snow continues to fall without sound. I write one line in my notebook. Presence is the best present. I list 3 small moments from today. A neighbor's laugh, a shared candle, a simple song. I close the notebook with care. I breathe in and feel the day settle.
Good night, Christmas.
I turn off the tree and the lamp. The moon hangs silver above the street. Somewhere, a late car passes softly. My hands are warm from a final cup of tea. I whisper goodnight to the quiet room. I whisper goodnight to everyone I love. I pull the blanket to my chin and smile. Sleep comes like gentle snow.
Great job today. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me. My Christmas night shows how small acts can warm a whole day, checking on a neighbor, sharing soup, and lighting a candle. Your English grows the same way, one calm line at a time, one kind habit each day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. One page, one story, one step. Your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next video.